Hello again, Kevin Culp back at you, PM Head of Cloud Management Solutions at Supermicro. Continue our podcast on navigating our SDX control plane platform, or formerly SuperCloud Developer Console. In the previous videos, we showed you how to deploy a cluster or import a Kubernetes compute into the south shard. So we're going to navigate into the control plane of the north shard and turn on cluster services that we want to deploy. And those would be cluster services, which would be metrics, KubeVirt, and CSI provider. And the CSI provider is used to communicate with their NFS server, which is our backhaul storage. And we'll continue on the podcast of instantiating VMs such as virtual machines and also container images. So let's dig into it. So we've navigated to our North Shard 172.24.199.135, and we're going to log in. As you recall, in the previous video, we talked about using admin with the default password as PASSWORD, all lowercase. So it's recommended you change that. We're in a controlled environment, so we're going to leave it as the PASSWORD for convenience sake in our lab. So we're going to log in here. And the first thing we're going to do is navigate to our cluster services control plane. And our cluster services control plane here is where we turn on cluster services. And you can see here, I've already deployed a CSI NFS driver already, and it's currently running. So let's go in and deploy KubeVirt. So we're going to do that by doing a deploy here and then typing the label test : so we'll go ahead and do that. And then we'll also turn on metric server 2 as well. We'll deploy that one as well. We're using the label test : and you can see here both metric server and KubeVirt are installing, and the last one here we'll go ahead and deploy GPU operator and Prometheus too as well. So we'll deploy both of those. We'll use the label test : and we'll deploy the Prometheus, and we'll use the label test : as well. So these are actually installing here. They're going to take some time to actually install. We'll continue on with our podcast of instantiating VMs. We'll show you that these cluster services were successfully installed in the next video clip. Thanks for joining today. You have a great day. We'll see you across the aisle.